Back with us on Midcap Radar, onto the other corporate conversation, that is Insecticides India. The company reported a net profit of over 7 crores and an EBITDA gain of over 8 crores in the quarter. We have Rajesh Agarwal, the managing director of the company, joining us now to discuss the quarter gone by. Mr. Agarwal, good afternoon. Thanks a lot for joining in. What explains the drop in margins this quarter, Mr. Agarwal? The margins are down year on year and on a sequential basis. For the full year also, the margins are lower. Are you seeing this trend stabilizing as you head into FY25? What's your call on the margins now?
I would say that in last year, if we look at the year as a whole, then we have made a recovery and we have posted a PAT margin of roughly 100 crore plus, which means that the strategy is working out because the time was very, very challenging when the prices, we saw falling prices after COVID, and there was high price inventory, which was troubling in the previous year. We had the impact in 23-24 also. There was some partial impact, which was very much there. But now we see that whatever inventory is there in the system is the low price inventory, and the monsoon is looking good. So overall, I believe that we should make a recovery in our EBITDA margins. We are moving towards a double-digit margin on our EBITDA level, and you will see that slowly this growth will come in the PAT margins also reasonably. And our star products, which are particularly the Maharatna products, they will also grow with time because this was the strategy which we played in 23-24. And it played out well, I would say, because our products have grown by almost 27%, the Maharatna products. And from 51%, the entire sale of B2C has increased to 59% for these products in particular. And with the new launches also coming in this year and the last year launches also going ahead, I believe that this will support the company in improving the margins.
So do you stick to your FY25 revenue growth guidance of being in double digits as well? You had mentioned that at the end of Q3. Do you stick to that as well?
Yeah, definitely. We see a double-digit growth possibility in this year, at least in the B2C segment. But in the international business and IBD also, I presume a similar type of growth.
All right, sir, if you could help us out with what is the split between B2B and B2C?
Generally, our B2C is roughly about 65%, roughly.
Got it.
And,
okay.
Yeah.
So B2C is 65%, and out of that, the contribution coming in from Maharatna is approximately 59% of that.
Yes.
59 of that 65%. And you see this number move up from 59% to what levels in FY25 and FY26?
There will be a continuous improvement actually. So we target 65% in next 2 years. So slowly keep on improving, and at the same time, the absolute number will show more increase. Like in the previous year, from 51, it has improved to 59, but overall growth is 27%.
Got it. What about exports, sir? Exports are a small proportion of your business, I think 5%, but there are various challenges out there. So if you could tell us, how do you see exports shaping up in the coming year?
Because all the challenges which are for any general industry, we also face those challenges in the international business. But now we are bagging more registrations, and we believe that this year we should see our entry into the advanced markets of South America and also in Europe, so which will support us. And we also see the business increasing in ASEAN countries as well as Middle East and Africa. So we have the target of improving on our export segment also, at least 40 to 50% from here where we are. And definitely it will keep on growing for us. So at the moment, yes, the contribution from export is very, very low, but you will see definite increase in this percentage.
So from 5% of the total mix, you think in the next 3 years it will double to 10% of the mix? That is by FY26-27?
Yes, that assumption can be taken, yes.
Okay. And what is the profitability difference between exports and domestic? Is exports better, is domestic better, or there's no difference in margins?
Broadly similar actually, because it depends on the product mix, what type of tie-up we have and what type of products are going. So yes, in future we see the export happening or increasing from the new generation products. So yes, there will be some advantage.
What about product launches, Mr. Agarwal? You had mentioned earlier that you plan to launch around 7 to 8 in FY25. Are these plans on track? And if you can give a timeline on as to by which quarter do you plan to launch these products?
Yes, in the first quarter itself, there will be launch of 3 to 4 products. and then the further products will come in the second quarter, because there are some products which are pertaining to the Rabi season or the winter season also. So these launches are in line and their products will come. In the previous fiscal also, we have launched about 8 products and which have contributed roughly 50 crores. But if I go down the line to from FY20, then these products have contributed more than 500 crores to our turnover, which means that people are appreciating, the market is appreciating our new product range, and these new product range, whatever is coming in our Maharatna segments with higher profitability, and we are trying to build a premium business for our company so that the profitability can be built, not just the volumes or the numbers.
All right, Mr. Agarwal, pleasure as always. Thanks a lot for joining in. Wish you good luck for FY25 and for your new product launches as well. That was the management there of Insecticides India sharing their outlook for FY25 and a timeline on the new product launches. The stock, though, is down 5% in today's trading session. Time for a short break. We'll get you more on the markets and specific stocks on the other side. Stay tuned.